What Lana has now is a dirty pacifier. It was on the floor. Kara's got her sippy cup. Lana just handed it to her. And she's trying to drink it right now. And she's more than likely going to spill water all over the place. Thank you, Lana. Now she's going to take it back. Yeah. Is that how it's done? Is that how it's done? Oh, thank you, Lana. Thank you. You want to drink? Want to drink? There you go. Yeah, that would be tea dripping everywhere. Is that yummy?